Settings, Multiple Browsers tab. This is where you set up the provider, operating system, and browser that you would like to run during your tests. We already have one browser set up. You select your provider, your operating system, or OS, which can be Ubuntu, Windows, or OS X, and then you select your browser, which can be Chrome or Firefox. Once you've made your selections, press the Add Browser button to add it in. As you can see here, there are two different browsers selected. In this particular case, they're both Chrome. When I run my test cases, or my test suite, for each test that's in there, it'll run twice. Once for Chrome under Windows, and another time for Chrome under Ubuntu. Remember to press the Save button when you've finished configuring everything.